Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Your Assurance wireless phone comes with a 1-year warranty from the original equipment manufacturer. If you experience an equipment malfunction, call us at 1-888-321-5880 and we will arrange for a replacement mobile phone.
Let's help you make your mark.
General Assurance wireless replacement phone procedure. If you have lost your phone or it has been stolen, call the Assurance Wireless customer support at 1-888-321-5880 and explain your situation. You will either get a free replacement phone or might have to pay a small fee for a replacement device.
Let's help you make your mark.
Assurance Wireless can now offer you our most generous cell phone plan yet, Assurance Wireless Unlimited. It combines our Lifeline service with the Temporary Emergency Broadband Benefit, EB, to give eligible customers unlimited data and texts and minutes, plus 10 GB hotspot data. See if you qualify today.
Let's help you make your mark.
To be able to transfer your Assurance wireless number to another phone, you need that phone provider's approval as well. Once you receive your Assurance wireless phone, you simply contact their customer care at 1-888-321-5880. A representative will help you keep your current number.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.